Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PlugShare trip reports to track cost per mile, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate PlugShare trip reports for tracking cost per mile, start by opening the PlugShare app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the menu, select the My Account option. In the Account settings, look for the Trip Reports section. Toggle the Trip Reports feature to the On position. Next, proceed to the Settings tab within the app. Locate the option for Cost per Mile Tracking and select it. Enter your vehicle's specific details, including make, model, and efficiency. Input the average cost of electricity in your area. After entering this information, save your settings. Now, return to the main screen of the app. Start a trip by tapping on the Start Trip button. Follow the prompts to enter your starting point and destination. During your trip, PlugShare will log your data. Once your trip is complete, tap on the End Trip button. Review the trip report generated by the app. Check the details, including total distance traveled and estimated cost per mile. Make any necessary adjustments based on actual costs or experiences. Finally, share your trip report with the PlugShare community to help others. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.